Hi guys, so what we're looking at is a very basic kettle by Russell Hobbs. It's pure white, although it's got this kind of diamond design, which makes it look quite modern and sleek and stylish. So because it's white and silver, it will match however contemporary, modern or classic your kitchen style is. Now what I like about this particular one is that it boils really fast. Now also, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got, all right, there is no flickering. The flickering is because of the camera, but it's got this blue light. It's quite loud, but not something that you can't handle. I've just filled it up with cold water, just basically for about 3 cups, I'd say. So that's 2, so that's the bare minimum. That's 4, so we've got sort of 3 cups worth. And it was bottled water from here. Okay, so let's see how long it will take to boil that much. And it's actually almost done. Well, as you can probably hear it, right? It's coming down, which, oh, that's it, it's almost done. So you see, it's literally seconds. Okay, of course it would take longer if you were to fill it up to the maximum level, but I don't think we do it these days to save on, I don't know, electric and our CO2 footprint. Okay, there you go. So it was literally about 30 seconds, which is quite good. Now, another thing that I like, well, it switches off automatically, as all of them do, but I've used this kettle now for a month, okay, and I've had loads of kettles. This is my number nth right now, and normally after about a month of continuous use, and given the fact how many times it boils, provided that we only boil it every 2 cups or so, and my husband works from home and he has, I don't know, hundreds of cups of teas a day, I presume. Normally you've got some lime scale already after a month, and you need to descale it, or your special special liquid that you boil, whatever, to get rid of your lime scale. So let's have a look together, and as you can see, it's as good as new. All right, so I can definitely recommend that, although it's basic, but that makes it just versatile and just, you know, match whatever style of the kitchen you've got. It's inexpensive. It's great value for money. It boils ever so fast. It looks cool, looks sleek, and it's got well, let's have a look. I think, yes, 1.7. I think it's 1.7 liters. So yes, great volume as well. I love it, and I can definitely recommend that. Well, enjoy your cup of tea, guys, and bye bye.
particles from the paint inside the heater. The paint is coming off from the sides and from the base of the heater. See?
Okay, so this is meant to be our new kettle. It had great reviews. First thing I noticed with the kettle, it's got a mark there, some random mark. You put it on top. Look at that. Look at that. And this is meant to be a new kettle. This looks like somebody's kettle that's been used. Will I be buying from them again? Absolutely not. Don't even waste your time. Look at this. Awful.
Ignore the flickering, that's just the camera. It's actually a nice solid blue light. It's really quiet. The camera again has probably made it look a little bit noisier than it is, but it's a really nice kettle, nice and simple. Seems to boil really quick as well. Certainly really pleased with it.